How do you feel about today?
I'm very happy. I didn't think that the police can find a criminal like this, and they are proceeding with the court case. So I really appreciate the service of police.
Have you met Sipapa before?
No,
How come that he's the one that you are accusing?
it is the police who detected him as a criminal of this case. It's not me, so I cannot answer that question.
I want to be specific with you. Are you a Chinese national or a Japanese national?
I'm a Japanese.
You're Japanese. What do you basically trade in Uganda?
I'm in tourism.
Tourism. So you're coming back in court?
Yes, I will.
What do you think court will be judging that day?
I can't say now, but I hope yes, they will find the truth.
At some point you asked for water and a seat and you were shivering, red-eyed, and I failed to understand how you were feeling at that moment.
I am still surrounded by more than 10 cameras. I feel nervous because I was never filmed like this.
For how long have you been here?
I think that's enough. Thank you very much.
I'm told you've been here since 1996.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So are you being assisted today?
Yes, she's going to
Answer and watching brief your name.
I'm Peter Mujimba, for Alliance Advocates, for watching brief on behalf of the...
Any other witness in court tested? I can see the eye off. You can wait from out. We can have only one witness. Any other witness, please step out. We remain with one witness who is going to testify.
Omujulizi yenna azze okuwa obujulizi musango guno sabiddwa olindira ebweru.
Let's proceed.
My name is Okusiba.
What is your religion?
I'm a Buddhist.
Buddhist. Do you believe in Bible?
No. Their God is called Buddha. So you'll just raise you. I don't know how you are found.
Yes, I think it's like
You raise up your right hand. I, you say your name.
I, Okusiba,
Swear affirm before God.
He doesn't.
I affirm that.
affirm before the God.
I, your name.
I, Okusiba,
I affirm that the evidence I'm going to give,
the evidence I'm going to give,
touching the matter before court,
touching the matter before the court,
will be the whole truth
will be the whole truth
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
okay. How old are you?
I'm 50 years old.
What?
Alina emyaka 5, bizinesi maanyi. Akola mu bya bulambuzi.
I saw him in the media, but I didn't know him before.
Yali takumanyi naye yakulaba ku mitimbagano.
You saw him on the media.
Yes.
Where else did you see him?
I never had the direct contact with him, and before his arrest, I didn't know him at all.
Nga tonnabakwatibwa yali takumanyi era nga takulabanga nako.
Mr. Wada, do you know what happened on the 6th day of February 2019?
Yes, in the morning of 2nd February, I got a call from one of my staff. That staff told me that the office was robbed.
Yafuna essimu okuva eri omu ku bakozi be yali akola mu sitoowa n'ategeezebwa nti sitoowa yali baali babanyaze.
What date did you receive the phone call?
It was 3rd February.
Essimu eno yamukubirwa
3rd February 2019.
essimu yamukubirwa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwokubiri omwaka 2019.
Who gave you the phone? Who called you?
His name is Kazutaka Aragaki. He was one of my staff.
What's the name?
Kazutaka Aragaki.
Kadutaka.
Kazutaka.
Eryo ly'erinnya ly'omukozi eyamukubira essimu.
What did he tell you?
He told me that when he woke up, he found the drawers safe open, and he realized that many company property was stolen, and he also found many small items, documents scattered on the floor.
Mu kuzuukuka ku makya yasanga seefu nzigule nga ebintu bingi bitwaliddwa n'ebiwandiiko ebisinga obungi nga bisaasaanye wansi.
Did he tell you the kind of properties which were stolen? Did he mention you on phone the things which were stolen?
That time I got a brief information, but he told to recall items like camera, computers were stolen.
Ebisinga obungi ku byabbibwa byali ebikozesebwa amasannyalaze nga kamera, zi laputopu, ebintu bwe bityo.
You received a phone call. What did you do next?
First, I reported this theft case at the Kabalagala police station, and I went to the office with one of the officers from Kabalagala police station.
Mu kiseera ekyo bw'amala ofuna essimu yaloopa omusango ku poliisi.
Mr. Wada, I need you to be clear. After you received the phone call, are you saying you went to the police station directly?
Yes, I was scared to go to the site without the accompaniment of the people, and also I went there and I reported the case first.
Okay.
Mu kiseera awo yafunira essimu yali atya okugendayo mu kifo ekyo waali wabbiddwa kugendayo yekka, yagenderawo ku poliisi.
So, did you know the name of the officer you moved to the office where the breakage took place? Did you know the person you moved to, the officer?
I do not remember his name.
Yagenda mu kifo ekyo bagamba waali wabbiddwa ebintu naye yagendawo n'omusirikale naye bamubuuza nti omusirikale yaani nagamba tamujjukira linnya lye.
Okay, now take us to the point. You and the officer, you have arrived at the scene. What happened?
State, I need to know where the scene also is. He needs to tell me
His
also.
office.
Yeah.
Where's your office located?
It was on the church road, Kisugu.
Ofiisi eno eri ku Church Road ekisangibwa eri mu Kisugu.
And then you tell code also where you are residing. The place where you received the phone call, where is it located? Your residence.
My residence, I was staying at the site of Kibuli near the Green Hill Academy.
Essimu yagifuna ng'ali waka we gy'asula ekibuli kumpi ne Green Hill Academy.
Yeah.
I said we are now at the scene together with the officer from
When I reached the office with the officer from Kabalagala police station, I informed that the police officer from Kisugu police station already started their investigation in the office, so I could not enter the premise. so I stayed outside.
Bwe batuuka mu kifo ekyo ofiisi awo wali wanyagiddwa ebintu yali atuseewo n'omusirikale okuva e Kabalagala wabula yasanga waliwo abasirikale okuva e Kisugu abaali batandise onoonyereza obubbi obwo bwali bukoleddwa era agamba yali tasobola na kuyingira mu ofiisi mu kaseera ako.
Do you know the person who had informed Kisugu? Because you said you went to Kabalagala.
Yes.
Did you know when the person who would approach Kisugu police?
The staff who called me, Karanaki, told me that he reported to the nearest police post.
Omukozi we ye yamutegeeza nti yali aloopye omusango ogwo poliisi yali okumpi mu kifo ekyo.
Yeah, proceed.
They stopped you from accessing your office premises. For how long did they stop you? How long did you spend outside without accessing the main building?
I think I stayed outside maybe like 4 or 5 hours. I entered a bit late in the afternoon.
Mu kiseera kino olw'okuba ekifo kino kyali kiri kukolebwako kunoonyerezebwako tebamukkiriza yingira ne bamubuuza yamala bbanga ki okuyingira mu ofiisi nti wakati w'essaawa 4 n'ettaano.
I found the lock was broken and I found a safe drawer.
Mr. Wade, let me interrupt. When you said the lock was?
To the main entrance.
Oluvannyuma lw'omukkirizo yingira yakizuula nti looko y'oluggi yali emenyeddwa.
Yes?
I first want to find out from him. Is it like that kind of lock or it has a padlock?
It was a padlock, metallic padlock.
It's a padlock.
Yali kufulu zino kufulu ez'ebyuma.
Continue.
Yes, and I found the drawers, safe, cabinet open, and I saw the document, keys, small items left on the drawer.
Yasanga drawer emenyeddwa, seefu ng'emenyeddwa n'ebisumuluzo nga birekeddwawo.
What else?
Yes, and I found the police officer taking some items with the fingerprint.
Yayo.
And later, the LC chairman of the area and also the staff of the SGA, the security company came and witnessed.
Era? Nti era chairman w'ekitundu ne ba security guard abakuumi aba SGA nabo bajja mu kitundu bajje bakakase ekyo kyali kibaddewo.
The SGA security company has captured the security guard who was guarding my place from 2nd February, and they have taken that guard to the Kabalagala police station.
Nti ab'ekitongole kikumi ekya SGA baatwala omukozi waabwe yali akoze olunaku olwo e Kabalagala ku poliisi.
Mr. Wada, you are about to call you telling you theft took place, the office was broken, things were stolen. Can you confirm to this honorable court that things which were stolen from the company premises?
The items were very many. I lost like 6 camera, maybe like 10 camera lens, like 6 computers. I don't know if I'm allowed to.
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Ebintu ebyabbibwa byali biyitirivu nnyo. Mwalimu kamera lenzi 10, kompyuta nga 6 ne kamera nga 6. Ebirala asabye bamukkirize abikebere.
And other accessories like the media, filters, the hard disk.
Mwalimu filters, hard disks.
And some hard disk, which had some important data, which is valuable. And also we lost some cash from the sale. Cash. The shilling cash and US dollar cash we had in the office.
You lost what?
Cash, the money.
Cash.
Yes.
Waliwo n'ensimbi enkalu ezaabula.
Do you know the amount of money which was lost? It was in the drawer.
The gun shilling I had was 2.7 million and I had 770 US dollar.
The Ugandan shillings was?
Was 2.7 million.
Ensimbi za wano eza Uganda bwali obukadde 2,700 zaali zitwaliddwa.
I had 770 dollars.
Ne $770.
You write for us the figure, we are not understanding.
$770. 770.
Tell Code how you acquired these lenses, the cameras, the computers. How did you acquire the cameras, the laptops?
Yes, computers I bought them locally here, and camera lens I bought in Japan and imported from Japan.
You imported them from Japan?
Yes, I bought it in Japan. They came with it.
Bamubuuza ebintu bino yabifuna atya oba yabigula atya, agamba kamera yazijja Japan.
How about the laptops?
All laptops, computer were bought locally here.
Kompyuta zagamba yazigula wano.
Do you have receipts or something to show that indeed you imported this property?
Yes, I retrieved the record. Whatever I bought online, I had the transaction when I ordered item online. But for the item I bought it locally from the shops in Kampala, I could not find the receipt.
Byeyagula ebweru oba byayimporting okuva ebweru byasobola yabigula okuyita ku mikutu emigatta bantu, naye ate ebintu byeyagula wano ezo risiiti tamanyi gye ziri zamubula.
Do you have the original, the transactions which you did online?
Yes, Yes, everything was done in electronic way by email, so I did not have an original document. But
Okay, let me ask you. Was these transactions in English?
no, it was in Japanese language because I bought from the Japanese shop.
olw'okuba ebintu bino yabigula Japaani ate yabigula ng'ayita ku mikutu migattabantu talina kiwandiiko kikakasa nti yabigula bamubuuziza byali mu lulimi luzungu nti nedda olw'okuba yali abigula Japaani byali bayogerezeganya mu Japaani.
Do you know whether this particular transaction in Japan was translated in any other language?
Yes, we have taken the proof of the purchase to Makerere University and got their translation from there.
Nti alinako kyakimanyiiko nti ebintu bino byeyagulako online biyinza obanga byakyusibwa olulimi lwakyusibwa mu lulimi lwano nti ye babitwala e Makerere mu bakyusa ennimi ne babikyusa mu lulimi lwawano oluzungu.
So do you have the original translations from Makerere Language Institute?
Bamubuuza nti ebyo bye bakyusa mu lulimi lwawano abirina nti ye abirina.
This is the original proof.
To tender in the transactions which were made on various dates in purchase of the stolen properties, which were actually done online by the complainant. Both the Japanese language and the translated version.
Omuwaabi wa gavumenti asaba transaction ezo baziweeyo mu kooti ng'ebizibiti eri ebyo ebiri mu lulimi Olujapaani n'ebyakyusibwa mu lulimi Oluzungu olwawano ng'ebizibiti by'oludda oluwaabi. Tuliddawo nti baamuwaako dda kopi.
Was not readily available as the complainant wasn't around.
Newankubadde ng'ebiwandiiko bino babimuwadde lwaleero tebabimuwadde mu budde olw'okuba nti abadde ali nabyo abadde tali mu ggwanga.
You can pass the original for council to verify with what you gave him to photocopy. Yes, council.
I have an objection to this.
Yes.
I have not received any copy of the same. I have not received any copy of the same.
Yes.
As such, I feel that it should not be exhibited. In the alternative, I will pray for the same to be exhibited. I will verify the same. And then we see how we can proceed.
Council, you said we exhibit, then you verify, or we give you time to verify before exhibiting?
I will request for time to exhibit.
To verify?
To verify. I will request for time to verify. Putting in mind that a copy of the stolen items is approximately 50 or 60. Now I need to search for each item from this bundle.
Council, on watching brief, you didn't share with your colleague the documents? He hasn't got them. He hasn't got them?
He objected from receiving them before the verification process. Okay. We pray that it's no.
No, I was just asking that. I wanted to confirm that he hasn't received. So can we give council copies of the documents? He verifies them. for now, then we shall tender the next time.
Your Worship, we are praying in this document, subject to verification. We can verify this document and then ask the witness any questions of these traits. It's not prejudicial for this document to go on court report. And it will not embarrass or occasion any miscarriage of justice. Since counsel will be given sufficient time to look at this document and will also be able to cross-examine my witness. I so pray, because we have the courtesy of actually serving him before the court stay, so that he would look at it, but he refused for reasons which we cannot actually identify.
And so you have no right?
Liidawo kino ekiwandiiko akigaanya agamba tebanakimuwaako wabula oludda oluwaabe lwe lugamba ekiwandiiko baakimuwadde n'agaana kigaane bamanyi ensonga lwaki yakigaanye.
Since the authenticity of the document is not in question, the question counsel has raised is that he has not looked at the document to verify with the 50 items alleged to have been stolen. I will allow the document as an exhibit. However, counsel shall be given time to verify them vis-a-vis the items alleged to have been stolen before he cross-examines.
Ekiwandiiko kino olw'okuba tekiwakanyizibwa butuufu bwakyo, kooti egamba ekitutte mpaka
Can we have
kulidda.
what was translated, the original Chinese, counsel? The Chinese version and what was translated?
Behind the Chinese version, it's behind the
Japanese, sorry.
It's behind, then the translated part is the one in front. You can push, you can, you will see those are the ratings.
So, since it is one document, it will be prosecution exhibit 1. One is just a translation of the other.
Olw'okuba nti kyavunuddwa buvunubwa, kooti ekitutte nga ekizibiti ky'oludda oluwaabi ekisooka.
Okay, we can proceed. Do we have a photocopy? You may need the original for other purposes. I've looked at the original.
We have given counsel already a copy.
Because I don't have to retain original.
No, it's okay. If we are going to, if we give you the photocopy, then we shall replace with what is.
Okay, we can proceed.
Mr. Wada, You talked about the security guard who was actually arrested. Do you know what happened to him?
Yes, he was captured by the SGA security company and taken to the...
Was he also coming from that company?
Yes, from SGA.
So these were his employers who had picked him?
Yes, he's called Adi Rame. He was detained at the Kagara police station. Then we the state prosecuted them, and he was convicted for the neglect of his duty.
Omusirikale eyakuuma ekiro ekyo yali wa SGA era bakama baba SGA bajja ne bamukwata ne bamutwala e Kabalagala ne bamugulako omusango gw'obulagajjavu era omusango guno gwamusinga.
When you say convicted, was it by court?
Yes, it was the same court, this Makini court.
Era yali kooti eno yennyini ye yamuwozesa era nemusingisa omusango gw'obulagajjavu.
Now, the prosecuted security guard, do you know how this case before court came about?
Yes, it was I don't remember, October or November 2022. Last year, I got a call from one of the officers from Kabalagala police station, and I was informed that he got the suspect of this robbery and theft. And when I reached the station, I was told that they have found the suspect from the fingerprints they collected from our side.
Nti mu mwezi ogwa October bamutya kufuna essimu ne bamutegeeza nti baali bazudde omuntu eyali yazza omusango gw'obubbi n'obunyazi mu ofiisi ye.
From fingerprints.
Nga basinziira ku binkumu.
At that point, did you meet the suspect?
No.
Bamubuuza mu kiseera ekyo yasobola osisinkana omuntu oyo gwe baali bagambye yali akwatiddwa n'agamba nedda.
But did they mention the name of the person?
Officer told me his name is Sipapa. I understand that is his nickname. That time I didn't know his real name. I was just informed as Sipapa.
Omusirikale eyali akola kunoonyereza yamutegeeza erinnya ly'oyo yali azuuliddwa nga Sipapa.
Is there anything else you want to answer?
No, that's all. Thank you.
But you said there was camera in these premises in that office of yours.
Yes.
Did the camera capture anything?
Yes, we saw the footage together with the officer from Kabalagala police station. At first, the guard from SGA made a call, and just like after 5 minutes, one person climbed the wall and entered our place. And later,
Was the face of the person clear in the video?
it was in the night, and it was black and monochrome, black and white. But the feature was the gentleman was very tall. I couldn't identify the face, but I just saw the first person was a tall person.
Bamubuuza nti ekifo kino yagambye kyabeerangamu kamera baziplayinga zakola batya zaalaga ki nti omusirikale gwe yava naye Kabalagala baakebera kamera n'eraga nti owa SGA yali akuumye ekiro ekyo alina essimu gye yakuba oluvannyuma lwa ddakiika 5 ne balaba omuntu ng'awalampa ekisenge n'ayingira. Omuntu ono yali muwanvuyirivu teyasobola kulaba feesi ye kuba kamera zaali mu black and white.
do you want this Honorable Court to do for you in respect of this case?
But maybe, was that footage retrieved? I want to know from him.
Was the footage retrieved by police?
Yes, we have taken the copy to Kabalagala police station and it was examined by the specialist in the police.
Era yo footage yatwalibwa e Kabalagala ku poliisi.
Okay, what do you want this court to do for you?
I close to the properties was some good amount. I want court to help for the recovery of the property and the money.
Mambozi ayagala kkooti emukolera ekintu yafiirwa ebintu bingi nnyo era yabadde ayagala ebintu bwe bimuddizibwe.
And I don't want other people to have the same experience like me. So I request court to give adequate punishment to the criminal.
Kyasaba oyo eyazza omusango awebwa ekibonerezo ekimugwanira nti abantu abalala baleme kufuna buzibu bwe bumu nga naye bwe yafuna.
Thank you.